Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS 2E and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, the leaf with the lightning bolt next to it. This is the battery saver icon. And to enable the power saving mode, tap on this icon like this, then tap on the check mark, and the power saving mode will be enabled. And it looks like this. Basically you have access only to time, date, steps and the battery level, and all of the features, all other features are disabled. And to exit the power saving mode, simply press and hold the side button and keep holding it until you see the normal watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.